Welcome back to another session of Anubhav Shah Photography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create custom text poster in Photoshop. Previous series में हम already देख चुके हैं कि custom text portrait कैसे generate करते हैं. इस series में जानेंगे कि उसी similar technique को use करते हुए हम किस तरह से custom text poster भी create कर सकते हैं. And we will quickly see how to convert this to this. टेक्स्ट और किसी भी इमेज को कंबाइन करके बहुत सारे वेज से हम बहुत ही एस्टॉनिशिंग और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स जनरेट कर सकते हैं और बहुत ही आर्टफुल तरीके से अपनी इमेज को प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो जब भी हम बात करते हैं किसी भी टेक्स्ट की और इमेज की, तो उन दोनों को कंबाइन करके एक अलग ही पावरफुल तरीके से डिस्प्ले करने के एन नंबर ऑफ तरीके हैं, जिनमें से कुछ तरीके हम धीरे धीरे जानते जा रहे हैं. So let's learn in this series a new way to manipulate text with the images. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Shah Photography. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Make the streets louder.
Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the image. So for this session, we are going to use Swami Vivekananda picture, and personally I admire and follow Swami Vivekananda. There are unlimited motivational speech from Swami Vivekananda. So we'll start quickly. We will just double click on the background and make it to the layer. We will cut this picture and place onto the white background. We will use quick selection tool. We have already made several sessions where we talk about how to cut any image and place onto the white background. Please check the I description for the link. And after doing the selection, just press Command J, call it main, and just create another solid color layer filled with the white background. Press OK. Drag it underneath to the main layer. Perfect. Now once you have achieved it, just do Command N. Make sure your settings are just same as mine and just click create. Once it is created, just go back to your main layer, press V for the move tool. Click onto the image and drag it onto the new document and just release it here. Do Command T and stretch the image as per your requirement. And once it is done, just go to image, adjustment and threshold. Just adjust the slider as per your requirement. I'll just keep it somewhere 134 is fine. Don't do too much effects with this slider, otherwise it will destroy the image. So let's keep it 128. Press OK. And just select the text tool, the vertical type tool. So we are going to type something vertically. Select the font, select 120 as the size, select top align, make color as black. Press OK and just type here. And once it is done, just go to the properties of text and just stretch the text a little bit and just set the text as per your requirement and adjust its size as per your requirement. Now once you have achieved it, just press Shift and click on both the layers, youth and main, and just press Command E to merge both the layers into one, and we'll call it main. So the main merge layer will have the effect of the text and the image of Swami Vivekananda. Now we will deselect this image and we will go to the text tool, and this time we will go for the horizontal type tool. We will select Arial regular. We will select 8 point and we will set it to left to align. Now just get the any good quote which you want to place on the poster. So I'm going to get the Swami Vivekananda writings for this demonstration. Just deselect the main merge layer and go to the internet and just copy any text related to your image. So I'm going to select a beautiful song which was written by Swami Vivekananda, and I'm just copying it from the internet and I am pasting it here. Now the spacing between the lines are too much. Just go to the settings again, decrease it a bit. Perfect. And after achieving it, just press on the text layer and do Command J. Press V to select the move tool and select it as per your requirement. Do Command J once again and just Control T to copy the text here as well. Just adjust it as per your requirement. Your motive is to just spread the text all over the document. Last time we will do Command G again and we will place it here. Once it is done, just press enter. And now just press Shift, select all the layers. Press Ctrl E to merge all the lyrics into one particular layer. We will call it one merged text. Now after achieving it, just press Command or Ctrl and click on the thumbnail once. Now you will notice the entire text will be selected. Now just go to Edit, Fill. Make contents as black. Our motive is to fill the text as a solid black color so that it will be highlighted more. Now after achieving it, just rename it to the black text. And we will make another layer. We will call it white text. We will drag it underneath to the black text and we will activate our main merge layer. Now select the white text layer, press Command or Ctrl and click on the black text thumbnail once. Entire text will be highlighted. Go to the Edit, Fill and content, it should be this time entire white. Press OK. Once it is done, just do Command D to deselect. Perfect. Now deactivate all the layers and select the main merge layer only, and then just select the black text, make it visible and select the masking on it and just do Command I to invert. And now just enable background and the white text as well. Now you can see that each and every letter is highlighted very properly. Now we are going to perform and apply some sort of gradient with the colorful effect onto the canvas. Create a new layer, change its blending mode to color. Select the gradient tool and just edit the gradient by clicking on it and just select any of the multicolor gradient. I'm going to select this one, press OK. And there are different kind of settings. You can play with any kind of settings you want. I'm going to select this one. This is called angle gradient. Now after achieving it, we will just zoom it a bit and we will just click on the eye of the image and we will drag it towards the outside area and release the cursor. Perfect. And if you want to do the experiment with the different kind of effects, you can do that by just double clicking on it and just change it as per your requirement. And now finally we are going to put some sort of texture behind it so that the effect will be more visible onto the canvas. Now just drag the texture onto the canvas. So we're going to use this particular texture for this layer. Just press enter and change its blending mode to multiply. Once it is achieved, just right click on it, go to blending options, go to inner glow and just select the color as black. Select the blending mode as vivid light, make opacity 80, set the choke as 0 and make size as 75. And after doing it, just select the main merge layer, create another layer, select the brush tool, make opacity as 4 or 5%, not more than that, and just make sure foreground color is selected as black. Decrease the brush and select any kind of splatter brush, any kind of effective brush, splatter, smoke, ink, any kind of brush, and just click here and there little bit. And we have achieved so wonderful result with it. So there you go, enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. ऑलराइट, सो जैसे कि अभी हमने देखा कितनी आसानी से क्रिएटिव तरीके से हमने एक इमेज को टेक्स्ट के साथ ब्लेंड करके और एक अलग ही पोस्टर इफेक्ट जनरेट किया। आप इसी सिमिलर टेक्निक को यूज करते हुए बहुत ही सुंदर रिजल्ट्स जनरेट कर सकते हैं और अपने किसी भी इमेज को या किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड वर्क को बहुत ही खूबसूरती से टेक्स्ट के साथ डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन कन्वे योर मैसेज इन अ वेरी राइट डायरेक्शन। इन केस यू फाइंड एनी डिफिकल्टी यूजिंग फोटोशॉप और फोटोग्राफी, यू कैन गो टू आवर वेबसाइट www.anubhavshahphotography.com or you can comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And thank you so much for your lovely messages and suggestions. जिन suggestions को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम इस आर्टफुल सीरीज में अलग-अलग सेशंस डेवलप कर रहे हैं और उन्हें एक तरकीब तरीके से लगा रहे हैं आप ही के सजेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली, जिससे कि एक बहुत कोजी एनवायरनमेंट जनरेट होता है कुछ सीखने के लिए और सिखाने के लिए। बहुत जल्दी लौटेंगे आपके लिए एक नई फ्रेश डेडिकेटेड वीडियो लेकर। मीनवाइल स्टे फिट, स्टे हेल्दी, बी हैप्पी। दिस इज अनुभव शर्मा फ्रॉम अनुभव शाह फोटोग्राफी साइनिंग ऑफ।